Chapter 8. Clothes, Protection and Comfort. In this lesson, need for clothes, material for clothes, types of clothes, care of clothes, storage of clothes. Thousands of years ago, humans used to live in caves. They would use animal skins and leaves and barks of trees to cover their bodies. Slowly, they learned the art of weaving and stitching. They learned to use natural fibers to make clothes. We need to wear clothes all the time. Just like food and shelter, clothes are also our basic need. We wear different clothes for different occasions. Different types of clothes are worn in different seasons. Clothes make us look smart. Need for clothes. We need clothes because they protect us from the sun's heat, which can burn our skin. We get tanned if we stay in the sun for long. Have you noticed that the covered part of your body is fairer than the uncovered part? This is so because clothes protect us from the heat of the sun. They protect us from the cold and keep our bodies warm in winters. They protect us from rain and prevent us from getting wet. They protect us from insect bites. We should wear long-sleeved clothes when we play in a park or go to sleep to protect ourselves from mosquito bites. They protect us from the dust present in the air. If we do not wear clothes, dirt would stick to our body. Material for clothes. Clothes are made from two types of fibers, natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers. Natural fibers are obtained from animals or plants. We get cotton, jute, linen and coir from plants. We get wool and silk fibers from animals. Fibers obtained from plants. Fibers obtained from animals. Synthetic fibers. Man-made fibers are called synthetic fibers. Nylon, rayon and polyester are some synthetic fibers. They are made with chemicals in factories. Clothes made from these fibers do not absorb much water, and therefore, dry quickly. They are wrinkle-free and do not require ironing. They are, however, not as comfortable as cotton. Synthetic fibers are non-porous and thus do not absorb sweat or let air pass through. Clothes made from synthetic fibers. Types of clothes. We wear different types of clothes. Factors such as season, place, occasion, profession, etc. determine the types of clothes we wear. Clothes according to the season. We wear loose cotton clothes in summer. Cotton clothes keep us cool as they absorb sweat. They also allow body heat to escape. People prefer to wear white or light-colored clothes in hot weather as they absorb less heat and therefore keep the body cool. In winters, we wear woolen clothes, which do not allow body heat to escape and thus keep our body warm. We also wear dark-colored clothes in winter as they absorb more heat. Clothes according to the place. People living in different countries wear different clothes. In India, people of different states wear different clothes depending on the season and tradition of the region. Different types of clothes worn by people from different places. Clothes according to the occasion. We cannot wear the same clothes at home, for a party and when we go out to play. We wear special clothes for parties, festivals and weddings. We wear rich and colorful clothes on special occasions. Clothes according to the profession. People have to wear special clothes for specific work. Students wear special clothes called uniforms for school. Doctors and nurses wear white aprons. Soldiers wear a uniform made from tough materials so that it may not tear easily as they face tough conditions. An astronaut wears a spacesuit for protection against the harmful rays and heat. People in factories, workshops and laboratories wear overalls. A mechanic wears a thick overall to protect himself from grease and dirt. Footwear and socks. Our feet remain in constant touch with the ground when we sit, stand or walk. Walking or playing barefoot may cause cuts. Infection can be caused in these cuts due to dust, germs and worms. Hence, we need to wear socks and shoes to protect our feet from dust, heat, cold, etc. Our shoes should not be tight or very loose, and our socks should not be wet or dirty. Different types of shoes are worn for different activities like walking, running, mountain climbing, jungle trekking, playing outdoor games, etc. Care of clothes. We must take proper care of our clothes. We must wear neat and clean clothes. Clean clothes make us look smart and keep us healthy. Wearing dirty clothes can cause skin diseases. Clothes must be washed regularly with water and a good quality soap. Washing helps to remove dust, germs and sweat. Clothes must be rinsed properly and then dried. Ironing of clothes makes them look neat. Torn clothes must be mended in time. Silk and woolen clothes should be washed with gentle soap. They can also be sent for dry cleaning. Dry cleaning is a process of cleaning clothes with chlorinated solvents or chemicals. Always disinfect clothes of a patient with an antiseptic solution. Do not dry colored clothes in the sun as their colors might fade. Storage of clothes. We need to store woolen and silk clothes during summer months. We must take certain precautions when we store them because certain insects feed on silk and wool. Never store clothes without cleaning them. They must be kept out in the sun for a few hours before they are stored. Naphthalene balls or dried neem leaves can be put in the folds of the clothes to protect them from being damaged by insects like the moth and silverfish. Clothes may also be dry cleaned before storing. If we take proper care of our clothes, they will last longer and look better.